Welcome to the fifth part of our fall trip to North Carolina. Today, we're going to explore the natural habitats of Grandfather Mountain and get up close and personal with some of the most fascinating animals in their native settings. You'll have the chance to observe cougars, black bears, bald eagles, river otters, and elk in their natural habitats, and get a unique perspective of how they live in the wild. The viewing areas are designed to give you an up-close and personal experience with these majestic creatures, and you'll be amazed at how close you can get to them. So, let's get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey into the heart of Grandfather Mountain's environmental habitats. The bear is lurking somewhere. Now we are entering Wilson Center for Nature Discovery. This is the largest amethyst cluster ever found in North America. It weighs about 165 pounds. Take a look. These tree bulges, also known as burls, develop on the wood due to environmental injury or bacterial and fungal invasions. Before we head back home, we'd love to take in the beauty of nature at some scenic viewpoints. Would you like to join us? video. See you later. Bye bye.